What do you have? What do you have over there?
Which way's gonna be better?
Probably with the muffler in, yeah. Or just install it over here on a spot. And also I think you're gonna have to do some polishing on this thing.
A little bit, not too much.
But yeah, here we are. The bike, we got it. The exhaust, we got it.
Ready. This is the exhaust after just cleaning it with Scotch-Brite. It was rusty, and it is rusty in a few spots. Tip is all disgusting. Should be a black chrome. I'm gonna probably end up repainting that. But this section is pretty gross. I'm just gonna pass the wire wheel on it. You can see I started already there. Yeah. Just clean it up a bit, and yeah, I'm just gonna throw it in, and that's it. So I got a little bit ahead of myself. Forgot to show how I prepped the tip. So all I did was I used my DA, my 6-inch DA with 80 grit, and I just sanded all that old black chrome crap off because it's all nasty looking, as you saw before. So I already sprayed the sealer on there, just waiting for that to flash, and then I have some leftover base coat from Patrick's Audi that I'm gonna spray on there, and then after that I'm gonna put a matte clear coat. Alright, this is after my last coat of clear, the matte clear on top of base coat. Yeah, we can get a good look. Looks pretty okay. It was fucking rusty. I'll input some photos of what it looked like when I got it. But for the price I got it, I can't complain. $1,300 exhaust for like 200 bucks. So, but yeah, I'm giving it some temperature since I don't have a bake cycle in here, and yeah, looks really nice. But yeah, it does still need to cure, so. Those bolts are fucking gross. She's in. Look at that. Hell yeah.